to another Myth Monday. I'm Coach Keto. Today we're taking a sledgehammer to the biggest, most damaging nutrition myth of the last 50 years. And here's the myth. Eating fat makes you fat, clogs your arteries, and low-fat diets are the only way to be healthy. If you grew up in the 80s and 90s, you were completely brainwashed by the low-fat craze. But today, we're going to look at the actual science of human metabolism and why the low-fat experiment was a massive failure, and why eating healthy, high-quality fats is actually the key to burning body fat. But no worries, as always, I'm going to break down the science into bite-sized pieces, keeping it plain and simple. But first, let's look at what actually happened when the world went low-fat. When food companies stripped the natural fats out of our foods, it tasted like pure cardboard, right? So what did they do to replace it, to make it more palatable? Well, take a guess. If you said sugar, you are absolutely correct. High fructose corn syrup, highly processed carbohydrates. We traded satiating natural fats for processed sugars. And what was the result? The result was the greatest explosion of obesity, prediabetes, and type 2 diabetes in human history. Now, here is the biological truth, plain and simple. Eating dietary fat does not make you fat, okay? You see, my friends, when you eat a low-fat, high-carb diet, your blood sugar is constantly elevated, and your poor little pancreas pumps out insulin to store that sugar as fat. But check this out. Dietary fat, things like avocados, beef, olive oil, eggs, has essentially zero impact on your insulin levels. And when you eat a high-fat keto eating plan, you keep your insulin at baseline. You stay full, you stay energized, and you allow your body to tap into its own stored belly fat for fuel. Plus, your body literally requires fat to survive. Why is that? And that's because your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat. Your cell membranes require cholesterol to function, and your body needs healthy fats to absorb essential vitamins like the vitamins A, D, E, and K. You see, when you starve your body of fat, you suffer from brain fog, hormonal imbalances, and constant raging hunger. Now, it's time to stop fearing the exact macronutrient your body was designed to thrive on. The truth is, my friends, eating fat does not make you fat, okay? But what does make you fat is eating highly processed carbs and excessive sugar. Now, if you are ready to unlearn the outdated low-fat dogma and want to learn how to properly use healthy fats to heal your metabolism and crush your hunger, well, I am here to help guide you. Send me a DM with the word fat fuel, and let's get you started on a tailor-made low-carb protocol to meet your specific health challenges. And if you enjoyed this video and perhaps learned a thing or two, then be sure to follow me. And if you would like to see more content just like this, then why don't you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Keto Plain and Simple. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on new videos. And remember that real healthcare doesn't start in your doctor's office. It starts in your kitchen and with the lifestyle choices that you make every single day. This is Coach Keto. I want you guys to have a great week, and I'll see you back here on Wellness Wednesday. Peace.